Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel High Mathematics. Today we have very interesting algebra question 4 to the x equal to 8x, and we need to find our x. If you have your solution, your approach, you can write your solution down in the comment section and then we will check our answer. So it will be really interesting. So first of all, let's divide both sides by 4 to the power x. So this is our first step. We're going to divide both sides by 4 to the power x. On the left side we have 4 to the x. We're going to divide by 4 to the power x, and of course we need to do the same thing with the right side. So we have 8x, we're going to divide by 4 to the power x. Whenever we look closely on the left side, we have 4 to the x over 4 to the x. We can easily cancel it real quick. 4 to the x over 4 to the x. Let's do this right now. So as a result, we have only 1 on the left side. And on the right side, we can write this 4 to the x in our numerator. But I really hope you remember this property. So whenever we have 1 over a to the power b, we can write it as a to the power minus b. Of course, we can write it in our numerator, but we need to change our power of our numerator to the opposite one. Okay, so as a result, we have 1 equal to, we have 8x times 4 to the power minus x. So I really hope you understand this first step. Secondly, what we're going to do, we're going to change position because we prefer our constant on the right side, our variables on the left side. So that's why we'll change position real quick. So let's write 1 on the right side. So it changes nothing because we have equal sign. So we have 8x times 4 to the power minus x equal to 1. This is our second step. Right now, let's divide both sides by 8. Whenever we divide both sides by 8, we can have like variables on the left side and our constant on the right side. So we don't need this 8 right here. We need only our variables, expression with variables. So let's divide both sides by 8. When we divide it, we're going to cancel it from the left side. So we have x times 4 to the power minus x and equal to 1 over 8 equal to 1/8. Yeah, we have a fraction. So 1 over 8. So okay, right now we split it. We have constant on the right side, we have our expression with variables on the left side. What we're gonna do next? Right now we need to remember, we need to learn about the thing which is called like Lambert W function, extremely important function. So how does this function looks like? Whenever we have expression like a times e to the power a, you can easily apply Lambert W function to this expression, and as a result you can have only a. So the main thing, you need to have the same expression right here and the power of e. For example, we have like 3 times e to the power 3. Same expression right here, same expression right here, so we can easily apply Lambert W function, and as a result we have only our a, but a equal to 3, so we have 3. So the main thing is to create this structure, to create this a times e to the power a. So let's look closely at our expression because we need to create this structure on our left side. It's impossible to create it on the right side, but let's do this on the left side. First of all, the main difference, we need to have e. Okay, we need to have e, but how can we do this? We can write instead of this form. So our first step, how can we do this? We can write instead of this form, we can write e to the power natural log 4. According to a natural log property, this is absolutely correct expression. We have e, we can cancel this natural log, cancel this e, so we have absolutely great expression for us. So instead of this 4, let's write e to the power natural log 4. Let's do this right now. So I'm going to start right here at this place. So we have x time. Instead of this 4, I'm going to write this one, e to the power natural log 4, e to the power natural log 4, and raised to the power minus x. Don't forget about it. Minus x equal to 1 over 8. Okay, what we're going to do next? Right now, we need to multiply our powers, because this is I really hope you understand this property. When we have a to the power x raised to the power y, we can write it as a to the power x times y. So let's multiply minus x and natural log 4. So as a result, we have x times e to the power minus x natural log 4 equal to 1 over 8. And right now, let's look closely what we have. We have e, and we need to have e for applying Lambert W function. Yeah, we need to have e. We have it. We already have it. But if you look closely, right here, we need to have the same expression. We have x, we have minus x natural log 4. So two completely different expression. But when we multiply both sides by minus natural log 4, so just look at it. So multiplying both sides by minus natural log 4. So whenever we multiply both sides by natural log 4, let's look at it, what will happen. As a result, we have minus x natural log 4. So I'm gonna put this expression right here at this place times this expression minus times e minus x natural log 4, and of course our right side. So we have minus natural log 4 over 8. And right now, as you can see, we multiplied both sides by minus natural log 4, but let's look closely what happened. We have minus x natural log 4 right here, and we have e, and we have minus x times natural log 4 right here. So, for example, this is our a, and this is the same thing. So, as a result, we can easily apply Lambert W function and we can easily simplify this a lot. Let's do this right now. Lambert W function of our left side, we have minus x natural log 4 times e to the power minus x natural log 4 equal to Lambert W function of minus natural log 4 over 8. Don't forget about right side, because a lot of people forget about right side. We need to apply Lambert W function to both parts. And right now, as I said before, minus x natural log 4 minus x natural log 4, Lambert W function, we're going to cancel everything except of this minus x natural log 4, because that's our identity, that's our formula. So on the left side, we have minus x natural log 4. This is our expression on the left side, and on the right side we have this one, Lambert W function of minus, so Lambert W function of minus natural log 4 over 8. So after applying Lambert W function, we have this expression. Let's find our x. Let's divide both sides by natural log 4. Okay, let's divide both sides by natural log 4. We have minus x equal to this one, Lambert W function of minus natural log 4 over 8, and we divide it by natural log 4, and our last step, multiplying both sides by minus 1, because we still have minus right here, so multiplying both sides by minus 1. Let's do this right now. So as a result, we have from here, we have x equal to minus Lambert W function of minus natural log 4 over 8, and we divide it by natural log 4. This is our answer, but we can easily simplify this a little bit, because if you look closely, let's do this right now real quick. So minus Lambert W function of right here, this natural log 4 can be written as minus natural log 2 square over 8. Okay, over 8. Okay, and we divide it by natural log 4. Okay, and right now these two will come down right here. So as a result, we have 2 right here and 8. So we can easily cancel it. We have 1 and we have 4. So I really hope you understand. Of course, I can write it real quick, but okay, let's do this. Maybe a lot of students watch my videos and want a step-by-step explanation. So let's do that. That's why I'm gonna do it. So Lambert W function of minus 2 natural log 2 over 8. As you can see, these two will come down right here. We divide it by natural log 4. And we're going to cancel it. So we have 2, we're going to cancel with 8, we have 4. Okay, so our final answer, let's do this. Our final answer to this question, minus a Lambert W function of minus natural log 2 over 4. And we divide it by natural log 4, natural log 4. But if you're really interested in hints from me, because this Lambert W function had a lot of branches, okay, so that's why right now I'm gonna write these both branches, because right here this looks like our one root, but this Lambert W function had a lot of branches. So a correct way to express this is to write this n, these are our branches, and when we plug in this expression in internet library, like internet library, which is good with the Lambert W function, we can easily find 2 branches. So the first branch right here, so our first root, x first equal to minus Lambert W function minus natural log 2 over 4 over natural log 4, and when we plug in it, you're gonna have the second branch, because this Lambert W function had a lot of branches. So we're gonna have Lambert W function with the index, minus 1, and the same thing, minus natural log 2 over 4. Okay, over natural log 4. So this Lambert W function has a lot of branches. In our case, when we plug in this expression in internet library, like math library, you can easily get 2 branches. So the first branch is when we plug in this expression in our calculator, we're gonna have x first is approximately equal to 0.155. And when we plug in the second expression, we're gonna have x second equal to 2. So that's why we have 2 roots, because this Lambert W function had a lot of branches. The first branch x equal to 0.155, and the second branch x second equal to 2. So we can easily see a plot. You can see these points of intersection, and that's why we can easily say that we have 2 roots, and that's why we can say that we solve this question correctly, because we have 2 points of intersection and we have 2 roots. So that's why really great sometimes look at this question in perspective of geometry, to see this from perspective of graphing, you know. And when we see this question, because in the beginning we had 4 to the x, our exponential function, and we have 8x, our linear function. So that's why it's really great sometimes to see it from geometric perspective. But if you're really interested in hints, because a lot of students, it's not that hard to solve this question by inspection. I agree, it's not that hard. We have 4 to the x, 8x. A lot of students try to check it. X equal to 1, not works. X equal to 2. We have 4 square equal to 8 times 2. This is a correct expression. 16 equal to 16. And you know, a lot of students try to solve this question by inspection. They say, okay, let's try to solve it real quick and let's go to the next question. But okay, I agree, x equal to 2, a correct answer according to inspection method. But what about x first? There's not possible way. How can be? There's no way you can easily solve this question and you can get the exact value of x first. This is extremely important hint, because you know, sometimes students hurry up, they try to solve this question quickly and they say, okay, x second equal to 2, let's go to the next question. But what about x first? 0.155. There's no way even like a math professor can solve this question like that, can get approximately value. So that's why it's really great to solve this question completely, to do a quick research. How can we solve this question? Because just agree, x equal to 2 and that's it. This is a weird solution. But as you can see right here, we have like more than 10 or 15 lines. We have a lot of really interesting things right here, so we can easily pause the video and you can easily see this question like in slow-mo. You can see this question, how can we solve this question step by step. And that's why it's extremely important for you to solve this question with this principle. And it's not good for you, it's good for your teacher, because it's really weird when you solve this question. Just imagine we have 4 to the x equal to 8x right here, and you say, okay, x equal to 2, a correct way. This is a weird way, bro. We need to solve this question. You need to solve this question step by step, okay? Step by step, and in the end, you can get a correct answer, x first and x second. So I really hope you understand my solution. I really hope you understand my explanation. It's really great to see your response down into the comment section. It's really great to see your thought about this question. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your life. Take care of yourself and have a great day. See you in the next videos.